Imagine a personal assistant that writes and sends emails, schedules your meetings, does the research for you, and practically everything else you want to get done. Behold Saidar AI, an AI agent that connects with your favorite apps and acts like a real digital assistant. Unlike typical AI chatbots, Saidar does not just answer questions but takes actions. Watch till the end as we challenge this AI with stock market analysis, and the results are incredible. Let's first see the integrations it offers. You can connect Saidar AI with tools like your Gmail, Google Calendar, Slack, and Notion. If you're a developer, it even connects with GitHub and Supabase. Let me walk you through exactly what I used it for. I started by giving Saidar a single prompt to mail my resume to this address. In seconds, it drafted a professional, context-aware email, clear, concise, and ready to send. Saidar sends the email as directed. So if you have a list of recruiters with you, just create an email template and pass it to Saidar AI along with the list, and it'll handle the rest. You can then mail hundreds of people at once or direct it to mail each person in batches of 10 every day, essentially automating the whole process. And if you don't get a reply, just ask Saidar to write follow-up mail to recruiters who didn't write back to you. Eliminates the need to track and manually check so many emails. Next, I connected my Google Calendar and asked to schedule a meeting at 5:30 p.m. today. Done. Added to calendar and sent me an invite too. Then I changed my mind. I asked it to reschedule it to 7:30. And there, it's done. Sometimes it fails to do a job. In my case, it first failed to create a meet in the first try. So just prompt it again and it will get it done. No switching tabs, no manual updates. Saidar handles the changes instantly. And if you ask it to send an invitation for the mail to a certain person, it'll add the person to the call. This alone saved me 10 to 15 minutes of calendar juggling. This tool is completely free to use as of now, and does not require anything to start using it. You can even connect Zoom, Teams, or Outlook with Saidar. You'll notice that it also has a YouTube integration. Let's see what it can do. I asked it to tell me the number of channels I've subscribed to. It even answers the latest video I watched. Let's see if it can generate a report for my channel. It gave me some info, but I can't find the PDF of report. Let's try again in a new tab. This time, it did generate a PDF with insights on subscribers and a few recommendations for the channel. It's not a very detailed, but you can try with better prompts and explaining what you need in detail for a better and actionable report. We're finally at the part you've been waiting for. I asked Saidar to generate a detailed report of Indian stock market. It gave us a summary but not in a file. So let's explicitly ask it to create a file and also include gold rate, Nifty, and Sensex. And this is the report generated by Saidar. It gives us an overview of today's market, current prices of Sensex and Nifty, sectoral performance, and some notable movements in major stocks, both winners and losers. In the end, it even shows what were the influencing factors for the observed moves in the market. The gold rates are a little off. Probably it has accounted for some other dates or data. But overall, the tool has done a good job so far. If you want to automate your research or analyze companies in bulk for completely free, give Saidar a try and share your observations in the comments. Now let's connect it with Notion and see if it can access the pages. I asked it to create a task page, but it failed. But when I gave it the page URL and asked it to edit it, Saidar succeeded and performed the task. So what's the verdict? The fact is that the tool does what you ask, but it's not perfect. Sometimes it misses the goal or fails to perform the job. But reprompting or trying the job in a new thread helps. Occasionally, tasks fail silently. On reissuing the command, it may either respond with Saidar chose not to reply or get stuck in a loop. And only 5 files are visible at once. There is no scroll option, so viewing additional files requires deleting existing ones. The best thing about this tool is the number of integrations it offers, from productivity and task management tools like Notion to developer platforms like GitHub. This tool connects with everything. Let us know in the comments what you think about this tool and give it a try. We'll meet in the next AI demo. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.